So after the pain of another World Cup elimination for Jamaica, it's now back to the solace of the EPL. This coming like my wife give me bun. Yes. So me run back to my side chick. Anyway, nice to get back some EPL football. For Liverpool in particular, it's been a long break from the league, giving thanks that Mane and Salah escaped a long and grueling AFCON tournament injury-free, while we bring in another skill and speed merchant named Luis Diaz. So can Liverpool make up this gap and reign in Manchester City and win back the league title? And in addition to keeping the title race alive, Liverpool, we are into the Carabao Cup final. We're still in the FA Cup and we're still in the big one, the Champions League. Yes. So things look good for Liverpool. I want to tell you, with my heart still aching from Jamaica's World Cup meltdown and the way how it go down, it is such a joy to have Liverpool. Yes. Thank God for Liverpool. My national team left me down and out, and my club team bailed me out. Yes. My wife, give me bun. Side chick, here I come.